Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. It's Friday the 16th of December, continuing my vlogmas here on the channel, and not got a lot to say on this video really, but I think the most important thing I really wanted to say is just a big thank you to everybody who's commented on any of my videos this year, watched anything or offered advice or taken my advice on and found inspiration in the videos that I've been putting out throughout the year. It's just been such a privilege to go on some great adventures. And just to be selected for journeys in like the transcontinental race back in July and August, and just to be able to share you the the highs and the lows of that adventure was quite an experience. So I just want to say a big thank you for everybody out there who's been fantastic and offered support for everything that I've been doing throughout the year. You've been brilliant. Thank you very much. It kind of reminded me as well, talking about dates and things, it's the 16th of December today, so like many people probably watching this video, it's kind of the last weekend really before Christmas, apart from that final Friday, which is what, the 23rd or something like that. So there'll be lots of office parties this weekend. Mine is today. I'm going to be leaving in a couple of hours from now. Also, in some good news as well, fingers crossed it's coming off. You're never quite sure until it happens, but looks like I've sold my Cube Pro Agri Pro C62. Yeah, on Facebook Marketplace. Hopefully, in the next couple of hours, that'll be gone. And yeah, I'll say goodbye to a bit of an era, really. Shed a tear. Yeah, just got no space for it. And to be honest, you know, I've got a gravel bike now. I've got my road bike. I've got a hybrid. 3 bikes is more than enough, I think. So it's nice to just get rid of one and you know, pass it on to somebody else who can perhaps get some more fun out of riding it. It's obviously been lots of places. Paris, back in 2019. These are just the big ones I'm mentioning here. And of course, Everesting last March 2021, and countless other Audaxes and lots of other big adventures that I can't remember off the top of my head right now. But yeah, it's a lot of journeys. There's a lot of miles on the clock. Kilometers wise, I think I worked it out. 53,000 kilometers. So hopefully, whoever it's going to, you know, will enjoy riding that for over the next few years. So I just want to touch upon my last video as well, the race around the Netherlands. Yes, you know, if you've been watching the channel for quite a while, you would have seen that back earlier on the year. I just like the transcontinental. I wanted to revisit those two in particular because they were such big adventures, and I thought I'd try and retell them instead of a vlog style. Just go through it as one big adventure. Be like a film, you can just hit in a one-er. So hopefully you've enjoyed those as well. And as we head into 2023, I hope to bring you some more big adventures as well, either off-road or on roads. So I'm really looking forward to sharing more experiences in 2023, and I'd like to do some more videos like this where I'm in front of the camera sharing my wisdom, sharing my experience a bit more with you guys. I often find it difficult to put my words together in front of the camera like this. I do prefer sharing my journeys with you on the bike. I want to do some videos like some how-to videos, bikepacking videos, sharing bikepacking ideas, kit lists, top 10 tips to take part in a bikepacking race, things like that. And often I can't do those while I'm riding the bike, so I'd love to do a few more videos like that. If you think that's a good idea, or if you've got some ideas of your own and you'd like me to talk about those, get involved down in the comments below. I'm going to get ready for this party this evening, so I hope you have a good evening and a good weekend. It looks like here in the UK temperatures are on the up, so hopefully I'll see a few more of you out on the road. Right, for me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.